we're going to talk about the Rode Wireless Go 2. This case, and I'm using the Rode Wireless Go 2 right now, and so it comes with two transmitters. So this is my second transmitter. Get that up there so you can see it. And so you can use it without a lapel mic, and you'll see here in a second at the top, this is where you can insert a lapel mic, but you'll notice that that is a microphone there at the top. So it kind of looks like a little beeper. And it comes with two. And so the nice thing is you have what we call the receiver, which is actually connected to my computer through a USB-C cable to USB-A. And it comes with 3 wires. You can also hook it up to your phone. It comes with this. The only thing, you might have to get an adapter, or like a lightning adapter, which I think I actually have one in here. So this even will allow me to hook it up to my iPad. And so what I have here is, you'll see I have the lapel mic that goes into the Wireless Go 2. Makes it very easy to use. Off the transmitter, I should say the receiver will allow you to adjust the gain, and you can go, I think, down to negative 12, maybe even down to negative 15, and all the way up to plus whatever. So you want to kind of find that spot. Chris is always explaining how you don't want to be clipping, and if you're too quiet, you may have to adjust your gain to another part of the house right now, and you will still hear me. This has, theoretically, if you've got good line of sight, up to, I believe, a 200-meter range. So this can be really handy. This is handy for me tonight because I'm walking around grabbing things where it does pick up other sound, so you have to be aware of it. But if you're doing virtual presentations, the fact that you can be kind of hands-free, not have to worry about where the microphone is in relation to you, really makes this thing great. The other thing is that the receiver, when you set up the software, will record, depending on the settings you do, up to, I believe it's 7 or 8 hours of your audio. But you have to remember to download it, because it will overwrite the oldest video, files first. So this has been a game changer for me when I'm doing product videos. Right now I don't have to be like right next to the camera because I have the lapel, and I can be in a bunch of different places. And so definitely something I would recommend, the Rode Wireless Go 2, as well as the lavalier GoPro as well. It's a great investment. This is a professional lav mic, probably I would say about a 3 to 4 foot cord. But yeah, so it's definitely something that I think is worthwhile.